everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add DreamView to your Govee Home app. It's super simple and only takes a few steps. First, open the Govee Home app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. Then, on the top right corner, tap the 4 squares icon. This is your device management menu. Next, scroll or look for the option called DreamView. Once you find it, tap on DreamView, then hit the plus icon to add it to your control panel. After that, your DreamView feature will appear right on your dashboard, allowing you to easily sync and manage your Govee devices. And that's it. You've successfully added DreamView to your Govee Home app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.